Given an unsorted integer array nums, return the smallest possible integer that is not present in nums. You must implement an algorithm that runs in big O of n time and uses a big O of 1 auxiliary space. They give you an example. So 1, 2, and 0. So it's something similar to with other questions, like with a missing value. It's similar to the question missing value, but this time they're asking you to return a big O of 1. So you can solve this by using the same solution as before. So for the question missing value, where you track the length of the nums right here. And in this case, you want to use something like a Boolean array. Right. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So in a perfect array, it would look something like this. Right? So 1, 2, and 3, because it's 3 length. And all you want to do is we want to go to each one of these values and then mark them by true. So if you visit them, this will be true. Oops. This will be true, 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 and then this will be false. And all you need to find is this value right here, and then return that. That's really it. So what is the length? And then just mark as visited. +1, because like you have to include 0. So 4. And then go to each one of the values. Nums. Like if they're part of, so if they are less than the length, so 4. If 1 is less than the length and greater than 0. If I is greater than or equal to 0, and I is less than or equal to n, then we can mark that in our list as true. And then we want to go over this again. So if the num, if I is visited, if not visited because it's false, then you will simply want to return I. And if that's not the case, I'll just return n +1. So it's a big O of n solution. +1. Yeah. Because you're starting at 1 to the length, right? The n value. There you go. That's gonna be the big of n solution. Because you're using an extra space here.